Hello दोस्तों. So today I thought to take you on a tour inside COVID ICU of a tertiary care center hospital in Delhi. This is our X-ray technician and this is our X-ray machine. So this is isolation room as you can see. बाहर से start करते हैं. This is isolation room and this patient is highly COVID suspect. एंड इसको हमने अभी इंट्यूबेट किया हुआ है. बाहर से ही दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको. इंट्यूबेशन सपोर्ट पे ये पेशेंट वेंटिलेशन सपोर्ट पे अभी हमने इनको इंट्यूबेट किया हुआ है. इनका बायलेटरल निमोनिया था. देन आई विल टेक यू टू अनदर पेशेंट. यहाँ पे 3 पेशेंट हैं. यहाँ पे 2 पेशेंट हैं हमारे पास. एक पेशेंट ये है डायबिटिक हाइपरटेंसिव. एक पेशेंट ये है डायबिटिक हाइपरटेंसिव CKD. ऑल केम विद द कंप्लेन ऑफ शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, सोर थ्रोट, डिस्निया, सम विद अनकंट्रोल्ड शुगर. एक पेशेंट ये हैं हमारे, ये सिर्फ अभी ब्रीदिंग मास्क पे हैं. एक पेशेंट ये हैं CKD के पेशेंट हैं. ये नॉन केस ऑफ डायबिटीज़ हाइपरटेंशन. सीडेटिव्स पे हैं, आयनोट्रोपिक सपोर्ट पे हैं और वेंटिलेशन पे हैं. ये हमारे स्टाफ हैं जो कि टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द पेशेंट इन PPE. दिस पेशेंट ऑल्सो केम विद द शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, डिस्निया एंड हाई ग्रेड फीवर, सोर थ्रोट. हमने यहाँ से इसको बंद कर रखा है. दिस इज अनदर पेशेंट ऑन वेंटिलेशन सपोर्ट. One more patient who is due to hypotension on inotropic drug. And these are our corona warriors. This is the monitor. यहाँ से we see all the vitals, heart rate, BP. As you can see, this is showing the lead, ECG lead. This is showing the heart rate for bed number 3. For ICU bed number 7 it is showing heart rate 61. Like this. This is another bed. Okay, so this is the master monitor of ICU, and with this system we see the patient data, reports and all. As you can see here, I will click on one patient and this will show the reports. As you can see, this is showing the ABG, sodium, potassium of today, tomorrow, today and yesterday. Okay, so this was the generalized view. What else I can show you? So I just wanted to take you on a tour ki how this all functions. This is the crash card. All the emergency medicines being kept here: adrenaline, noradrenaline, atropine. As you can see. Okay, let me give you a look of this. This is NTG. In hypertensive emergency we use nitroglycerin, then dobutamine, and ascorlin, which is steroid, Lasix, which is diuretic, and magnesium sulfate, diazepam, adenosine, and there is atropine, beta-log, epsolin, dopamine, digoxin, midazolam. This is other tourniquet and micropore, something like that. And this is the instruments like torch, scissors, catheter. This is O2 mask, TT tube, all these things, saline bottles, and this is our video laryngoscope. बंद है ये अभी. This is video laryngoscope. In COVID ICU we use this so that the less exposure of patient we encounter. And this is the laryngoscope. As you can see, these are the laryngoscopes. And okay, what else I can show you? This is injection ADR tray, injection NORAD. When bradycardia happens, we give ADR and calcium gluconate and soda bicarb, lignocaine and codron. In cardiac arrhythmia, we give this. This is our washing area, and I hope I showed you many things. These are the drug trays like Asthalin, Budicort, Guilin. So just to make you familiar how the atmosphere is inside ICU. So I hope this will give you some idea. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is our Corona Warrior 1, Corona Warrior 2 and Corona Warrior 3. And me who is making the video, आप already जानते हैं. Okay, this is me making the video, DR.ANUJ. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so एक बार इनसे पूछ लेते कैसा लग रहा है आपको अंदर काम करके आईसीयू में? अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं? एंजॉय यही कर रहे हैं. ओके. So salute to all these people who are taking risk and working, serving. Okay friends, so see you in some other video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.